Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
Now let us write a short composition on milk. When we talk about milk, we normally say it's a complete food. It's a perfect food. Even for sick people, small children, give them a couple of cups of milk, they will be all right. Now, you get milk from animals like you say cow, then you have buffalo, some people drink goat's milk, some people drink, some places they camel's milk, yak milk. Now, from the milk we get a lot of products. From milk you can make sweets, curd, lots of paneer, lot of things you can make. Then the milk, they make cheese from there. Milk has got a lot of vitamins which help the young and old to stay healthy. They say older girls, women, then you also need to drink some milk. We also need milk to prepare coffee and tea. Then how is it supplied? Milk is supplied if it comes to our house in bottles, but we buy from the shops in cartons or in packets. You get in half liters and you get in 1 liters. Then you get milk in condensed form, you get in powder form. So a lot of things are available today in the market. They say India produces more milk than it needs. Okay, so we export some of the milk. The importance of as a valuable food, it cannot be emphasized enough. That's why we call it milk a complete food. So let's write about milk. I'm sure you love milk in many forms, and it is with milk they make chocolates, and you love chocolate, isn't it? So all kinds of sweets are prepared from milk. So milk is a very essential, a very important product. Milk. Milk is generally thought of as a perfect, complete food. Milk. Milk is generally thought of as the perfect, you say, the perfect or complete food or complete. When you talk about milk, it is generally thought of as the perfect or complete food. It's an essential part of everyone's daily diet. It is. It is an essential. It is an essential part of everyone's daily diet. Essential part of everyone's daily diet. Okay? Now, milk is generally thought of as the perfect or complete food. It is an essential part of everyone's daily diet. It has a great nourishing value and doctors prescribe it for young and old. Okay? Now, it is good for everyone, particularly for young and old. Now, it has a great, it has a great nourishing It has a great nourishing value. So doctors prescribe it. So doctors prescribe for both young and old. Young and old. So milk has a great nourishing value. So doctors prescribe for both young and old. It contains vitamins and gives us strength. It contains vitamins. It contains vitamins and gives strength. And gives strength. Okay? Then it keeps us healthy and strong. So it contains vitamins and gives strength. It keeps us healthy and strong. It keeps us healthy and strong. Okay, where do we get this from? We get milk. We get milk mainly from cows and buffaloes. We get milk from cows, buffaloes. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, then they say goat, sheep, and camel. Goat, sheep, there's one more animal, yak. In the mountains, there are yaks. So we get milk from cows, buffaloes, goat, sheep, cows, buffaloes, goats, yaks, and camels. So different people drink, but mainly it's the cows and buffaloes' milk that we consume. Then milk has many uses. So it has many uses. What are the uses? It has many uses. It is used to make tea and coffee. It is used to make tea, coffee, then sweets, curd, butter, and cheese. Lot of things you can do with milk. What kinds of things you can do with milk? Okay. Normally, milk is boiled before using it. Milk is always boiled before using it. Milk is generally thought of as the perfect or complete food. It is an essential part of everyone's daily diet. It has a great nourishing value, so doctors prescribe for both young and old. It contains vitamins and gives strength. It keeps us healthy and strong. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, yaks, and camel. It has many uses. It is used to make tea, coffee, sweets, curd, butter, cheese, and whatnot. Milk is always boiled before using. Before consuming, we always boil the milk. They say the goat's milk is supposed to be the easiest to digest. They say that goat's milk is the easiest to digest. But it's very rare and very difficult to get it. Okay, now in cities and towns, milk is sold in booths, in milk booths and shops. So in the city, in cities and towns, what happens to cities and towns? In cities and towns, milk is sold at milk booths. Okay, now how is it sold? It's sold in packets and pouches. It is sold in packets and pouches. Okay, then milk is also available in condensed and powder form. So, milk is also available in condensed form, and powder form. Okay, then they say India produces more milk than it needs. So some of it, they are exported. India produces more milk than it needs. So what happened? Some of it is exported. Some of it is exported. Its importance as a valuable food cannot be emphasized in part. We always say that milk is a complete food, and without milk daily, definitely a child's, an old person's, or any person's health is incomplete. So, let's look at the short composition that we have done on milk. Milk is generally thought of as a perfect or complete food. It is an essential part of everyone's daily diet. It has a great nourishing value, so the doctors prescribe both for young and old. It contains vitamins and gives strength. It keeps us strong and healthy. We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats, sheep, yaks, and camel. It has many uses. It is used to make tea, coffee, sweets, curd, butter, and cheese, and many other things. Milk is always boiled before using. Goat's milk, they say, goat milk is the easiest to digest. In cities and towns, milk is sold at milk booths. It is sold in packets and pouches. Milk is also available in condensed and powder form. India produces more milk than it needs. Some of it is exported. You can add on to say what other things you can make. You can make out of the milk. You can make puddings. You can make custards. You can make cake. All kinds of things you can do with the milk. But we cannot live, we cannot do without milk on a daily basis.